We are tracking another hurricane, Jose, out in the open water of the Atlantic. It's currently a Category 1 storm, so thankfully it's nowhere near as strong as it had been, nor as strong as Irma when it was at least closer to this point. But the winds are maxing out at 75 miles per hour. This is pretty far away. You'll notice this is far out in the open ocean water. It's far away from Bermuda, the Bahamas, and even the east coast of the United States. This is actually still churning up the surf along the eastern seaboard. So if you are taking advantage of this generally milder water that we tend to have this month of the year, you may want to think about staying on land here today. Take it easy. Rough surf rip currents are actually a concern, even as far north as our beaches. Now, this also, of course, shows the track. It likely maintains its Cat 1 strength, even as it makes this loop and even as it starts to creep closer to the U.S. coastline. There is no guarantee that this is going to make any kind of direct hit at all, but you got to stick with us on this. All right, now we've got until the weekend before things are really going to become clear. In the meantime, storm scam, there's Jose, giant cotton ball in the corner of the screen there, but you've also got this remnant moisture from Irma, now a depression, but still very expansive swath of moisture, which will eventually lift our way and sort of drift through. So it's going to take a couple of days for this to really get out of here, but we're not talking about any kind of washout status. I don't think we've got to deal with any kind of flooding issues. As we take a look outside right now at Woodfield Elementary, it's still pretty dark outside, but that sun is now up and you still have a few additional clouds, but all in all, it looks like a pretty pleasant day for you. The high hits 82. We're in the low 80s for the majority of the forecast. It's a little cooler tomorrow with a few showers moving in. It does remain damp on Thursday, still with showers. Friday even could bring a shower. And then even Saturday, I don't want to totally rule it out. But the key here is that even though it is an extensive period of time that Irma's moisture affects us, it's still a very, very minor problem.